Hello everyone, I decided to show you how to do tasks in our bot because many of you have problems with it. So the first step is we log in to our bot, then we choose language, then you see the message and you chose symbols. So then you can read information about project and about our tokens, and then you can see information about our referral program. Don't forget about it. So next step, you can see next complete this task to get 10 Evis tokens. So we can see our social media, for example Telegram, and you can see that you should to subscribe to the Telegram group and the channel. Join, done. Next step, Instagram. As you see, I already follow it, so done. Also don't forget about the comment on the last post in our Instagram. Next step, next task, sticker. So you can see this message, add the sticker pack and send any of it back. So we choose any stickers. Complete. And last task, Twitter. You write about it, many of you have problem with this, so as you see, I already follow this Twitter, so you just can send link, for example